favorite part was at this dinner, her fucking ex-fiance walks in. And then August walks in.
With his new fiance, too, right?
Yeah.
Because she sees it in the paper. She's like, oh yeah. That dickhead's marrying someone
her
else.
Her ex-fiance immediately got engaged and, like, gonna get married to some other high-profile socialite. So that hurt. Wait. I think that was another thing they fought about. He looked at her phone or something, her laptop.
And it had him up on it.
And it had it up on it. And that really hurt his feelings.
Yeah. Poor August.
I know. I forgot about that.